From the dawn of time, people have always wanted power. Our artists sing songs about it. Some use money, politics, influence, and a lot of things. There was a book named 48 Laws of Power. This book was so influential and insightful, it was banned in prisons and even in some countries. It articulates 48 laws to attain and maintain power. And would you believe that these laws are used knowingly and unknowingly around us every day? Even in music, whether they talk about the gangster life or love, most dance hall songs echo the sentiments of how to get, maintain, or take power. Law 6. Court attention at all cost. As everything is judged by appearance, you must stand out. Make yourself appear larger, more interesting, and more mysterious than the masses. One way to do this is to surround your name with sensation and scandal. Bear in mind that notoriety of any sort brings power. In this present world, attention is currency. The more eyes you have on you, the better. We see this daily on social media. Whether it's girls doing provocative sexual dances or impossible trick shots and even misinformation. To capture the mind of the masses enables you to promote your own agenda to a large audience. With the invention of social media, this is easier than ever. Depending on the platform, you could reach millions with a single video. But even before social media, there was one dancehall artist that courted attention at all cost: Vybz Kartel. In the early 2000s, Vybz Kartel began the trend of shock value antics in dancehall music. In a time where tattoos weren't that prevalent in dancehall music, Kartel had a load of them, following in the footsteps of his idol, Tupac. And then in a time where Jamaican people leaned more towards Christianity, Kartel proudly proclaimed that he didn't have to know God, and even that he was a Mason. Kartel later started to venture into skin lightening, initially saying that his facial soap of choice was a normal blue soap, sometimes referred to as cake soap or blue balm. Vybz Kartel then later ventured into breaking more Jamaican taboos by promoting females giving oral sex. Before his incarceration, he was continually breaking the norms of Jamaican society with each song. In later years, artists similar to Vybz Kartel would try these shock value tactics in their career in the early stages of their career, such as Alkaline, Radija, Fertile Brains, and even Skeng. Attention can be courted for both positive and negative reasons. Even the debacle with Silk Boss and his humiliating beating, somehow, he has become more popular than ever. If one can bear the weight of attention and fame, whether good or positive, it can be lucrative.